This Dole Whip is so good. It'll make you want to do backflips in the aisles and start speaking in tongues. I am not kidding. It is that good.
0, 1. Let's get started.
Hey there, it's Simply Susan and welcome back to my kitchen. Now today it's 87 degrees. It's hot, it's humid, and when it's like this outside, I personally want something frozen, something refreshing, but at the same time, I don't want to have like traditional ice cream or a popsicle because it has no protein usually and a ton of sugar. So today we are going to make, I don't know if you've had it before, but if you haven't had this before, you have definitely seen it because it has gone viral on all of social media, and that is a high protein, zero sugar added version of the Dole Whip. Now the Dole Whip is basically like a pineapple ice creamy treat you can get at Disney World or Disneyland, but today we're gonna make it with just 3 ingredients and it is scrumptious. And let me tell you, I have made some really bad versions of this. So I have tried many recipes and I was just like, you know what, let me just make one up myself. But it only has 3 ingredients. So it's important to follow the steps, follow the procedure, and trust the process. So let's get going. The first thing you're gonna need are some pineapple chunks. Now you can use fresh pineapple if you have it and it's ripe and it's perfect and it's in your fridge. We are going to need 8 ounces or 1 cup of pineapple. I keep pineapple chunks in my freezer all the time and I've been eating this pretty much every day, so I can't just have fresh. I need this so I can have it like in abundance because I have it on repeat. So this is amazing. And yeah, this makes it easy. So if you're going to use frozen, definitely let it thaw out in your cup before you do step 2, which is add some alternative kind of sugar. So this is 0 calorie, 0 everything. This is just Swerve, which is a sugar alcohol. It's erythritol. So you can use whatever 0 calorie sweetener that you like that tastes good. Swerve is one of my favorites and Truvia is. And I prefer to use stevia or sugar alcohol because they don't increase my blood sugar and they're not like super chemically. So this is my choice and we're gonna use, because I am using, which I'll show you in a second, a 0 sugar yogurt. I'm gonna use 1/4 of a cup. But if you are using a flavored, either, for this recipe, you can use either a vanilla yogurt or you can use a toasted coconut yogurt. And if you use one that already has some sweetener in it, whether it be artificial sweetener or stevia or monk fruit, then you're gonna want to half the amount of this. So again, if it's a sweetened yogurt, then you can go ahead and use 1/8 of a cup. But if it's not, then I would definitely stick to 1/4 of a cup. And then this is what I have found recently. Whoops, I lost one. But this is the Chobani 0 sugar Greek yogurt toasted coconut vanilla flavor. This is amazing, but I went to the store and they have toasted coconut and different types of coconut flavors of yogurt. So pick your favorite. I like this one because it has absolutely 0 sugar in it. And we're gonna use 2 of these. These are 5.3 ounce cups, so 2 of these. So together this has 24 grams of protein. And let me tell you, I eat the whole thing. So that's all you need. So let me show you kind of the magical way of making it so it's the right texture and it's delicious. So this is 8 ounces or 1 cup of the pineapple chunks. And because I didn't feel like waiting for it to thaw out on the counter like I normally do, I want this as soon as possible and I want it to freeze. I actually just put it in the microwave for 20 seconds. So that gets it so that, it's thawed enough. And what I do is I like to just go in with kitchen shears, and you can use a knife and chop it, but this, I don't know. There's no more dishes. So I like to go in with kitchen shears and just make the chunks smaller. So let me go ahead and do that and I'll show you what it looks like. This is about the size of pineapple bits that you want. I like it this size. You can keep them in chunks if you want to, but I like it this size because I want every single bite of my Dole Whip to have some pineapple in it. So after that, we are going to put in, and this is 4 tablespoons or 1/4 cup, TBS, 4 tibbles or 1/4 cup of Swerve. And again, this is 0 calorie. So you're gonna stick that in there and swirl until combined. So it's really important to make sure that you get your sugar alternative completely not saturated because it's not wet, but incorporated with all of the pineapple. Because what this is going to do is you're gonna let this sit on the counter for 20 to 30 minutes. It's going to make like this amazing pineapple juicy syrup that is sweet but doesn't have any refined sugar. So pretty awesome. So you're just going to want to swirl, and then leave on the counter for 20 to 30 minutes. Do you have to do this? No. Does it taste that much better if you do? Yes, ma'am. If you're interested, these are the macros on Swerve. I like the way that Swerve tastes. Yeah, and it's a 1-for-1 swap in like baking or cooking stuff with sugar, but nothing. There's nothing in this. It's 000, and it's just sugar alcohols and allulose. So I'm good with that. Yes, this is the Swerve Granular. Here are the macros quickly on the Chobani Zero Sugar Greek yogurt. This is in the toasted coconut vanilla, which I think tastes best with this Dole Whip recipe, but it tastes really good with just vanilla as well. So totally your choice. Do whatever you want because it's normally made with vanilla ice cream. But I used 2 of these 5.3 ounce little cups. And so that's 24 grams of protein. And mind you, this comes in different flavors. I saw it in strawberry cheesecake, mixed berry, and I also saw it in cookies and cream, and I'm going to actually try that one out next. So love this stuff. Oh, it's lactose free. The more you know. Now I'm gonna put 2 of these in here, and mind you, I like my sweet treats and my sweets. I have a sweet tooth, so I like it relatively sweet. So you can definitely decrease the amount of sugar substitute, stevia, monk fruit, Splenda, whatever your favorite sugar substitute is. You can just obviously tailor it to your needs. When I use Swerve for this one with this 0 sugar stuff, I like a 1/4 cup, which is not that much. I mean, it's got 0 calories, 0 carbs, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, stick this in here and then incorporate. This is what the mixture looks when you mix everything together, only 3 ingredients. Pop a lid on and put it in the freezer for, definitely overnight. And people say 12 to 24 hours, but honestly, I think 12 to 16 is perfect. So this goes in the freezer. Guess what? I already have one frozen because I've been eating this every night. So I usually have 4 tubs of frozen yogurt and or protein ice cream in my freezer at all times because I eat this to fulfill my protein, but also my sweet cravings, and it's amazing and it helps me with my goals. So let's stick this. Oh, by the way, you can actually just, if you don't have a ninjacreami or an ice cream maker, all you have to do is let this sit on the counter until it is pliable, like not till it's obviously thawed, but you want it to be so that it can go into either a high-speed blender like a Vitamix or a NutriBullet, or you can also put it in a food processor. So those are other ways that you can do it without a ninjacreami, but I love my ninjacreami, so we're gonna stick that in there. Now, if you have a ninjacreami, I have the deluxe, but same instructions for the deluxe or the original, or the one that has a soft serve. But anyway, you're gonna want to put it on either the frozen yogurt or light ice cream modes. And what I do is 1 cycle on that for 5 minutes, and then I respin it, which is usually 1 or 2 minutes on the same mode, and that makes it the perfect texture. And by the way, always, either do one of the 2 things if you want the perfect texture of frozen yogurt, and you're gonna either want to put your pint, not the casing, but the pint with your mixture in it under very hot water for 10 seconds, or just leave it on the counter for 10 minutes. But that's the perfect combo, so let's get to getting. This is what the Dole Whip looks like when you take it out of the ninjacreami. Now, mind you, this is only half of what I made. So I already ate the other half last night, but this is half. And also, if you have a smaller ninjacreami, or you just want a less amount, I like a lot, so I kind of doubled the recipe. But if you just want to use 1 cup of the 5.3 cup of yogurt, and then use 4 ounces of pineapple, and then half of whatever sugar substitute, you can do that. But let's taste this baby. All right. Oh, I am so excited. So look how rich and creamy that is. Delicious. This tastes like a tropical oasis. This is so good. Let me tell you, this is your refreshing summer treat. And it has 24 grams of protein. Hi, no sugar added. It's pretty amazing. What? Oh my gosh, this is actually so, so good. I need to stop eating. But this Dole Whip is so good, it'll make you want to do backflips in the aisles and start speaking in tongues. I am not kidding. It is that good. It has just the right amount of sweetness. It's not too sweet, but it's got the tang of the pineapple, the freshness, the toasted coconut takes you away to an island paradise. So I'm a huge fan of this. Let me tell you what's coming up next. I am probably going to do a few more of these frozen treat, high protein, good for you ice cream frozen yogurts because I love them. In fact, the next one I'm going to try is a pistachio. I know y'all seen it. They have the Dubai like viral pistachio chocolate that you can DIY. They have the viral pistachio ice cream. I'm going to try to make it high protein and I'm super excited about it. So my name is Simply Susan. I make videos every Sunday and I'd love for you to subscribe if you haven't already and join the fam because I make videos about looking better, feeling better, and doing better. So I'll see you in a couple days and in the meantime, stay cool, have some Dole Whip, and I love you. Bye.
0, 1. Let's get started.